Here we go. You can come in. You can watch my video. Nobody's even on yet.
You want some,
Nobody's here to watch our video.
marinara?
Oh, I don't care.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you're, when you jump on, you're just gonna have to. You're just gonna have to be ready. Nobody's on our video yet. I'm gonna have to trim the beginning. Whatever. This is as good as it gets. Where are my friends? Where are all my friends who are gonna watch? Oh, there's one person. Hello, friend. We're trying to set the video up so you can watch. Okay. Hopefully the angle's not weird, but whatever. This is what we're doing tonight. We have a guest in the audience for today's episode of Quarantine Cooking with Amanda. Today, we are making guacamole that does not suck. So,
What?
doesn't suck. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be a quick episode. So grab your pencil and your paper and pay attention because like that, it's gonna be over. So we are starting with an avocado. Make sure you don't get avocado pan, which is where you slice the seed and then it goes through your hand. Not good. You lift the pit and then shoot it.
Did you eat my broccoli?
No.
Then where is it?
I'm making a video with my friends.
Your friends need to know you've been in my refrigerator.
She
Oh, here
has
it
to
is.
wait 5 years. Yeah, she found it. Okay. So we are doing one hot avocado. And tomorrow there will be no guests. They are noisy. So you're gonna mash it up and you're gonna add in this much. We're just gonna put it in. It's about a tablespoon and a half of lime juice. Fresh squeeze. I'm gonna mix it up. And don't go anywhere because I'm gonna share with you the secret ingredient. And then we're gonna sprinkle in salt, like this much. Quarter teaspoon. We're gonna mix it up. Okay, are you ready? Because this is the secret ingredient. First, secret tool. Second, and if you're commenting, I can't see it because I got smart for the camera around. So I'll read them later. This is the
Carolyn,
secret ingredient. This is nutmeg. Secret ingredient. This will make your guacamole not suck. So I have a microblade and the whole fresh nutmeg. I'm just going to grate in until you feel like you're tired of grating. So let's just say a quarter teaspoon for one guacamole, one avocado. And then I like to add in, do this second so you don't get your microblade wet. I like to put in a little bit of onion. Mike's probably watching and he knows I'm addicted to onion. A little bit of onion. Tap it in there. That's it. Guacamole that doesn't suck. That's it. Look, I'll even show you. No tomatoes, no crap, just avocado. And
Where'd you learn that secret ingredient?
as a bonus, so we are going to take some Slow Foods Kitchen raw vegan taco shells. Look at this. Just take those little taco shells, but we're going to break them in half and use them as chips. Bam. That's it. Easy. So if you want all of my quarantine cooking recipes, email me your address or private message me your address. And if you want some healthy taco shells for your quarantine snacks, these are on sale for $1 each. That's it.
$1.
Quarantine. I'm just gonna $1 if you don't tell Felicia.
Told me Josh said $2.
So good. Tomorrow, cookies. The best
I would've bought
cookies
some if
ever.
they were $1. I'll tell them they're $1.
Goodbye. Short and sweet because it doesn't take a long time to make good guacamole. 14 people. Wait a second. Hold on. Let me turn my camera around. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Did you enjoy quarantine cooking? Look at there's the behind the scenes.
The crew, the camera crew,
The camera crew's
the
here.
hecklers.
Yeah, the hecklers. That's right.
She's a critic.
Whatever. Did you like the recipe? Are you gonna make it?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that 9 people are watching and nobody has said that they like the recipe. Nobody said they're gonna make
It's so
it.
simple.
Ooh, hearts. Okay. We'll let it go. that's all. How's your quarantine going? Nobody's responding. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Cookies. Don't miss it.
Cookies.
Rewatch it. Give me your email address.
I know I forgot now.
You know, whatever.
Sugar.
Till tomorrow.
Fresh tomatoes.
Bye.